How stock market works. Stock market comprises of these major entities: trader and the investor, stockbroker, stock exchange, and the national depositories. Generally, when a customer gives a buy or sell order, the stockbroker requests the stock exchange to process this order from your DEMAT account. What is a DEMAT account? It is a repository where the digital copies of your stocks are stored and managed. It enables safe, easy, and convenient trade for users in electronic form. When the request reaches the stock exchange, it examines if the request can be accepted. If approved, the request is processed, so the order status is called complete. If denied, the request is made to wait till it can be approved. Now the status is open. If the trader closes the request, the order is called closed. Why the status remains open? Basically, the number of stocks provided by the investors are finite in stock exchange. So, if the buy order exceeds the stocks available, then the exceeded orders remain open. All these details associated with your DEMAT account are stored in government-registered national depositories like CDSL or NSDL. So, you are obliged to pay tax for every closed trade in the Indian stock market. So how do we make money buying a stock? Let's see in the next video. Thank you.